Hey folks, Dominoes Seven here. Got my hair cut, stuff like that. Look at the weather out here. Raining hard as a rock. Yes indeed. And of course it's raining downtown too. hmm Look over here. Yes indeed. I just finished doing the YouTube live, filming the rain and stuff like that. Don't hold the rain back, they say. I ain't gonna never hold back the rain. Let the rain come falling, let the rain come falling, fighting cats and dogs. Hmm. Like Dino Corner and G.I. Jackson and Shazam Corner was saying. Let the rain come falling, let the rain come falling, fighting cats and dogs. Hmm. Whoever watched me, what's up?